Have you noticed how a once clear headlight slowly turns cloudy over the years? Until one day you try to clean it and nothing seems to work anymore. That is exactly what you see when age and weather catch up with your car. You wipe, you scrub, and the light still looks tired and dull. Today, I will show you a simple way you can bring that headlight back to life using things you already have at home. Start by grabbing a clean spray bottle and pouring in regular white vinegar. Before we move on, share your city and state. It helps me make better projects for you. Do this slowly and fill only part of the bottle. Now add baking soda a little at a time. You will see it foam and bubble right away. So give it space and do not rush. This reaction is normal and tells you the mix is working. Once the bubbling calms down, close the bottle and gently swirl it to help everything blend. You are not trying to shake it hard, just mix it evenly. This simple solution is the base that helps break down dirt, oxidation, and old buildup on the headlight. Now you've finished the cleaning solution. Add a small amount of regular dish soap into the bottle. This helps the mix spread evenly and lift greasy dirt. Next, pour in a small splash of solvent. Do not add much. A little is enough to help break down old haze on the headlight. Close the spray bottle tightly. Shake it gently until the liquid looks uniform. You want a smooth mix, not heavy foam. Set the bottle down for a moment and let the bubbles settle. Your cleaning solution is now ready to use and safe to apply with a cloth. Spray the cleaning solution directly onto the headlight until the surface is fully wet. Lay a clean, dry cloth over the lens and spray the cloth again so it stays damp. Let it sit for a short time. This gives the solution time to loosen the cloudy layer. Before going back to the headlight, try the solution on the rear window. Spray a light coat onto the dirty glass and let it sit for a few seconds. Take a clean cloth and wipe in steady strokes. You will see the grime lift right away. The glass turns clearer with much less effort. This quick test shows the solution is working and gentle enough for car surfaces. After the cloth has done its job, remove it and spray the headlight again. Take 800 grit sandpaper and wet it with clean water. Sand the lens using light, even pressure. Move your hand in small circles and keep the surface wet the whole time. You are not trying to cut deep. You are only removing the dull, oxidized layer. Rinse the headlight often and wipe it clean so you can see your progress. The surface will look cloudy at this stage, and that is normal. To show how effective this solution is, spray it onto a dirty knife blade. Cover the blade with a dry cloth and spray the cloth lightly so it stays damp. Let it sit for a short moment. This helps loosen stuck grime and old residue before wiping. Now, move on to finer sanding to smooth everything out. Wet the headlight again and switch to 1200 grit sandpaper. Sand gently with even strokes, keeping the surface wet at all times. Wipe it clean and rinse with water. Next, use 2000 grit sandpaper and repeat the same motion. This step removes the fine scratches left behind and starts bringing back clarity. When you wipe it dry, the lens should already look much clearer and smoother to the touch. For the final polish, take regular white toothpaste and put a good amount on a clean, dry cloth. Rub the toothpaste onto the headlight using firm, steady circles. Take your time and work across the entire surface. The mild abrasive in the toothpaste helps smooth out tiny marks left from sanding. Keep rubbing for a few minutes until the surface feels slick under your hand. Rinse the headlight with clean water and wipe it dry with another cloth. You will notice the lens looks clearer and brighter. This step brings back the shine and makes a big difference in how the light looks when you turn it on. After letting the knife sit with the solution for a while, remove the cloth and take a clean rag. Wipe the blade slowly from the handle toward the tip, keeping your fingers clear of the edge. You will see the dirt and dull film come off right away. If some spots remain, spray a little more solution and wipe again. Do not rush this step. A steady wipe gives you a better result. Once the blade looks clean, rinse it with water and dry it completely with a towel. Run your finger lightly along the flat of the blade to feel the difference. The metal should look brighter and smoother. This quick test shows how well the cleaning solution works on real tools you use every day. Now you can see the result for yourself. The headlight is clearer, the surface is smoother, and simple tools did the job. This is the kind of fix that saves money and keeps your car looking right. If you enjoy practical DIY ideas like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend who works on his own car. I will see you in the next project.